Hey traders, this is Taylor with Top Pick Trading. Back again for the first time in a while. I want to see if we can get a second entry short. You can see we've had this golden uptrend, had a break and a few legs up. Now we had this strong red downtrend here. And now we've got 2 legs back and a second entry short at the EMA forming. A pretty strong little push down, so probably going to get a retest on this low. And let's see here. And we do get a signal bar closing on its low. Unfortunately, our stop entry doesn't get filled, but we do get filled on a limit in the same spot. We have our signal bar, our stop loss 1 tick above our signal bar. And going to go for 8 ticks, and that's our risk as well. So this is a true 1-to-1 trade here. You can see if we draw that micro uptrend tight to the bodies, it clearly looks like a break and new high to me. The move up was, the recent little micro move up was pretty strong. So that may be a little bit of a concern. The setup bar is pretty strong as well. Would have preferred probably a little bit more strength to show on that signal bar. Maybe the body closing a little bit lower into that setup bar. Maybe just a tick or two, but at least it's give and take. At least that gives us a lower risk. We're able to get up higher in the move. But as far as how the setup bar looks, it is a little bit strong for my liking relative to the signal bar, but at least the formation of it was nice. I didn't quite catch that one on film. I started the recording a little bit late, but it pretty much just traded straight up the entire bar. Then our signal bar pushed up into the EMA right there, and that brown dashed line, which is the close from the ES on Friday, and then performed a wick at that area, pushed down and closed on its low, and that's where we entered. Let's see the overnight move there. This strong move makes me think it's probably going to be a range day, but it has been more uphill. But in my opinion, the uptrend structure looks like it clearly has a break and 2 legs to a new high, and this red downtrend was pretty strong. So I feel pretty confident in this trade. It is backing up on us now, so we'll see. Like I said, the big concern is probably, even though that signal bar is closing on its low, it is a little bit small compared to the setup bar. But let's see, if we get a nice lower high here, that would give us pretty good confirmation. And if I didn't enter that second entry short, I'd probably enter a nice lower high right here, to be honest. So let's see how this closes. And wow, that lower high looks really nice as well. I'm thinking about extending this to where the lower high would get 8. Well, there we go. We went ahead and scalped. To be honest, I think I'm going to re-enter this lower high as well. I really like the way it looks. Almost more than the second entry short, really. Going to go for 8 on this. Obviously, we're lowering the move, so that's a little bit of a risk, but this has given us further confirmation, and it looks really nice. I could have just extended the target, but you saw I wasn't quite quick enough for that. So we'll just get 2 scalps here, hopefully. Just expecting probably a retest on this downtrend. I think we can get at least 8 out of it, regardless if it retests completely. You can see if I drew that blue range across, there is some support here, but we blew through that on this downtrend, so I'm not too worried about that. And there we go, we get the scalp on the lower high as well. So if you guys enjoyed that, 2 little trades back to back, 2 bars later, so second entry short, nice lower high, just expecting a retest of the downtrend. So thanks guys, and we'll talk soon. Have a good one. Bye.